Good morning, everyone. Mike Fiebernitz, Remax, Southern Shores here in Myrtle Beach, coming to you for another Fiebernitz Friday, where we throw Casual Friday out the window, still ending the week on a high, actually ending the year on a high note, wearing the suit, the tie, and the customary pocket square. Got trying to do some New Year's Eve colors going on. I know we still got our Christmas tree up, but we're very festive here at Remax Southern Shores. So let's go ahead and jump into the numbers for this week's market mashup, which I put it in the body of this, this post of this video, so you can take a look for yourself. Condo market, we're going to end the week probably up 0.1% this past week, and we're going to end the year up 7.4%. So if you own a condo, you have gained 7.4% out of the entire condo market. Residential market this past week, you dropped 0.1%, but you're going to end the year up 3.2% this year compared to last year's average sales price, which 3% is your normal market in the real estate market. So normal market in the residential for all of us that own houses here in the market. Land market, you dropped, not a whole lot, but you dropped 0.3% this past week. You're going to end the year up 5.2% this year compared to last year's average sales price. So every year, at the end of the year, my last Fiebernitz Friday, I always like to do a year in review, touch on a year in the review for 2023, and then I always like to give my prediction for the real estate market in 2024, plus a little bonus, bold prediction. So let's go ahead and start with 2023. Little year in review of what we went through this past year. Number one, tough year for sellers, just because when rates jumped up to about 7-8%, a lot of buyers exited the market and they didn't really buy. This caused basically the entire market to become harder and take a lot longer to sell your property. So far cry from the 2021, 2022 markets that we went through. Okay. Number two, year in review for 2023 is low inventory saved us. Okay. So the low inventory saved the year because it could have been a whole lot worse if we didn't have the record low inventory entering in the year from 2022, which that caused us to save us because there's still very low inventory, record lows, that even with the interest rate hike, the low inventory basically saved us, and we were still up this year, 7% in the condo market and then 3% in the residential market. Let's move on to my predictions for 2024. Number one, rates will drop even more with it being an election year, and we will become a seller's market again. Great seller's market again. Two, I believe, or actually my prediction, is that buyers have 3 months to buy a property before they will have to deal with fighting other buyers to buy a property in 2024, just like they had to fight other buyers in 2021 and 2022. So that's my prediction for buyers. If you're a seller, if you're thinking about selling 2024, just think about that for a second. I'm predicting buyers have 3 months before it goes nuts. And then buyers are going to start fighting, which is great for sellers. Which leads me to my third prediction of 2024. After the spring, it will be a great seller's market. We will see multiple offers again. above asking price contracts and more as is contracts. That's my prediction. If you're thinking of selling, I think this is a year to do it. So, my bonus prediction for 2024, my bold prediction for 2024, and it only deals with this Myrtle Beach market, and it is this: the oceanfront condo market will stay stagnant. I think every other part of the market will be great for values and sellers, but I believe that the oceanfront condo market specifically will stay stagnant. Here's why. If the prices go up even higher than where they're at, the rental income will not support a buyer buying it because the return will be so low. The return is low as it is. You have to pay cash and you only get maybe about 1 to 2%. Investors are not buying properties that are only returning 1 to 2% every single year. They will buy other properties. So I believe the oceanfront condo market, with the increase of expenses, the decrease in rental income, and if the prices go up any higher, it won't support a buyer buying it. It won't make sense to a buyer, and the pricing in that oceanfront condo market will stay stagnant. Folks, that's all I got for this year. That's all I got. If you're thinking of selling, 2024 is going to be the year to get that done. I think we're going to see fantastic prices. I think we're going to see multiple offers. I think it's going to be a great year. I'm an investor. I buy properties, and I'm trying to find properties in the next 3 months because I know if not, I'm going to have to turn around and fight the other buyers. So if I'm a buyer trying to, buy the property because I know what's coming for sellers, maybe you should take my advice. If you're thinking of selling, call me. Let me know how I can help you out. Folks, that's all I got for this year. Have a wonderful end of 2023, and I look forward to seeing all of you next Friday, or actually next year, for the first Fuberness Friday of 2024. Folks, have a wonderful weekend. Stay warm out there. See you guys next year. Have a good one.